And here we go. Today, I'll be running the HBX 16890A. This truck is highly modified and is probably capable of about 70 miles an hour in the current setup here. 16th scale, this thing's pretty cheap. And let me go ahead and show you what the power system is in here. So I have a Hobbywing 60 amp ESC running to a XTeam 6550 kV motor, 2850 sized motor. Now previously I was running a 19 tooth pinion gear in here. The stock pinion gear is only 14 teeth, so that was a big step up. Now I just barely managed to fit in a 22 tooth pinion gear, so it should be significantly faster. Previously on 3S, this truck went 63 miles an hour. Today I'm going to do a 2S shakedown run using 2 of the stock batteries parallel, just to get a little less voltage sag out of them. They're not very high performance, and I haven't run this truck since last year, so I just want to make sure I'm comfortable with it. And then next time out, I'll go ahead and run it on 3S. My goal for today is somewhere around 50 miles an hour on 2S. And assuming everything goes well today, we'll do a 3S run here in the near future. The only other thing I've really done to this truck is I have these 67mm foam tires on here. I have a little weight added to the front, which won't be needed for today, but is helpful at higher speeds. But yeah, that's about it. A Dumbo RC receiver for better range, and it has dual rate. And I'll be running my Power Hobby GNSS GPS for speed. These things are dead accurate, and if you're interested in this, there's an affiliate link in my video description. All right guys, let's see what this thing does. Stay tuned. Track, start, and we're reading. Full throttle. And here we go. Well, it was a solid shakedown run, but it sounds like I might be having some gear mesh issues here, so that's unfortunate. But at least I got my runs in. 50 on the nose. But what is going on here? Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it back apart and check out the gear mesh. But there we go. Once I get that sorted out, we may well be able to hit 70 miles an hour on some high performance batteries. Again, I have the stock batteries in here running parallel with this little adapter, and 50 on 2S, I'll take it. That's not too bad. All right, so all that happened was my pinion came loose. I used Loctite, but whatever, we'll get it back together, and the 3S run will be coming in a video in the near future. Well, quick video here, but let me know in the comment section if this truck interests you. It's a pretty cool build, and it's surprisingly stable despite being such a small RC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.